Hello GIS enthusiasts, hope you are doing well. For today, we will learn how to create a geodatabase that will allow us to carry out field surveys very easily using the Field Maps app. We will also import a project into Field Maps and carry out a small test survey. At the end, we will access our ArcGIS Online account, download our survey and view the data again in ArcGIS Pro. So, without further ado, let's get to the video. The first thing we are going to do is create a geodatabase. To do this, we have to go to the View tab, click on Catalog pane, and above Folders, with the right mouse button, choose the new option and then File Geodatabase. Start by giving a name, in my case it will be called Occurrences, and inside our geodatabase we will create a feature class. Go to New and then Feature Class. The name will be Occurrences as well. For the alias will be the same, Occurrences. The type I will choose Point. Click Next. Here I will add 3 fields. The first one, it will be called Type as text. Scale, and this will be double. And the last one will be called Observations, and it will be a text type. Click Next. The coordinate system, I will use this one. Next, and then click Finish. I will now add an imagery base map to have in my survey. Go to Map, then Base Map, and choose this one, Imagery. Next, we will create domains for the fields that we added to the shapefile. This is very easy to do. Go to your geodatabase, right-click on it, click on Domains. Here we will define a name for our domain. In my case it will be the type. We can also give a description. Here in the field type it must be the same as what you define when creating the feature class. That is, the type field is text. And here on the right side we can put encoding of our domains and the description. In this example I will just create 3 elements: water leaks, fallen trees, and others. The second domain will be the scale. So the scale of importance from 1 low to 3 high importance. This time the field type needs to be double. And here for the code, the first one will be low. Since it's double, we need to set the code as a number. So the first one will be low, 2 will be medium, and 3 high importance. After this, just click on Save. And now let's enable the domains that we create. Open the attribute table of the feature class. Click on Table and then Fields. And here on the domain, for the type, you need to choose Type, and for the scale, Scale. And as we can see, the type must be the same, both for the field and for the domain. Let's click on Save. Now let's go back to the geodatabase. In the feature class, we will click again with the right mouse button and select Properties. And here in this panel, make sure to have the attachments enabled as well as the global ID. Click on OK. By selecting the attachments, we automatically create a table of photos, as we can see here in our catalog panel. To finish this part, we will send our project to the cloud so it can be used in the field. To do this, go to Share, then click on Web Map, give a name. In my case, it will be Occurrences Map. You can give a summary and a tag. For the configuration, choose this one, editable, and you can share with everyone or just with people who have access to your account. You can analyze the project to see if there are any errors. Click on Analyze. It's very common for errors or warning messages to appear. If this happens, it's usually easy to resolve. If this happens, just double click on the error that appears on this message screen and the problem is solved. Since we didn't get any errors, I will click on Share and it will be shared to my ArcGIS Online account. To download field maps, go to your Play Store app, search for ArcGIS, choose ArcGIS Field Maps, click on Install, then Open, sign in to your account and choose your map. Let's just create one point as an example. For example, let's go to South, maybe here in South Africa. When you have your location defined, simply click on the plus button to add an element. Move the cross on the screen to the desired location, and you can start filling in the fields and as well taking photos. Let me allow the camera. You can take a picture. For the type, you can choose one of the 3 domains we create, and for the scale as well. For the observations, we can type something, for example, broken pipe. Don't forget to add point here, and then you can finish by clicking on the check mark on the top of the page. You can easily check your data by clicking on the point, as you can see. And now let's visualize our survey on ArcGIS Online and then export it to ArcGIS Pro. In your browser, search for ArcGIS Online, sign in to your account, here on your dashboard, click on Content, and here we can see our project. Let's click on it to visualize. Here click on Open in Map Viewer. And if we zoom in South Africa, we can see here the point that we create on field maps. If we go back to the point and we click on it, we can see the type, the scale, and as well the picture we take. If we want to download the project and import it to ArcGIS Pro, it's very easy to do. Once again, go to Content, click on the map, then click on Layers, and here you can click on Export Data, and in my case I will choose File Geodatabase. You click on it, choose a title, a tag or a summary, choose the folder and click on Export. Now click on Download and then go back to ArcGIS Pro. On your project, go to Map, click on Add Data, go to your file, it's this one for me, and I will import the Occurrences feature class. Let's check the point we create. Let's click and as you can see, we have all the data we need and as well the photo attached to the point. And this is how we create a project for field maps, do the survey and export it so it can be worked in ArcGIS Pro. Thank you for watching. If you like this type of content, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment what you want to learn next.